Hi, my name is William Ames. I trained Gemma 4 to save people's lives.
Back in 2017, Hurricane Maria struck Puerto Rico. One of the most devastating consequences, at least initially, is that it took out 96% of the communications.
People couldn't call for help, they couldn't call for hospitals, they couldn't call for 911.
So the Amateur Radio Relay League sent in 50 of their best radio operators to help coordinate response. These operators volunteered 6 to 8 hour shifts, but even then, the airwaves were still too busy. I built a tool to solve this problem. I call the tool AirGrep. I built AirGrep as a tool for citizens and first responders. It uses Gemma 4 to autonomously monitor the radio waves. Let me show you how it works. Alright, the first step to get radio waves to Gemma is they have to come into the computer. That happens through this USB dongle. Usually when you're receiving radio waves, you do something like a handy talkie. But this allows you to plug it right in and have them radio waves come into your computer. This is the terminal UI. You'll see 2 input fields. You can input frequency or frequency range. We could scan the entire 2 meter band. And then let's look for the distress signal, Blue Alpha Falcon. There was one thing that I had to do to get AirGrep to work. I had to fine-tune Gemma 4's audio encoder on 100 hours of noisy radio augmented audio. And that's because previously Gemma 4 was really bad at understanding the contents of a FM transmission. It would just fail when trying to transcribe or label radio transmissions, but this fine-tuned version is capable of handling the monitoring in AirGrep. Next, let's see a demo of this software working in the real world. This is Kilo Juliet 7 Zulu Bravo Bravo, code Blue Alpha Falcon. Repeat, code Blue Alpha Falcon. This is just a test transmission. Looks like Gemma 4 was able to detect our Blue Alpha Falcon distress signal. And this is the mechanism that can catch any distress signal anywhere. AirGrep with Gemma 4 increases the visibility of the most important radio transmissions by searching through the airwaves and surfacing what's important. While we can't predict the next disaster, when it comes, we'll be listening.